Team International, a place where innovation meets passion and elite tech talents transform business vision into reality. Here, we deliver innovation, anywhere, anytime.
The most important asset for Team International is people. And we always try to promote their individuality, their particularities, and their differences. That's where we came together and build a lot of good things and innovate every day for achieving great results and goals.
I think Team International is a very empathetic company. That's what my experience has highlighted most of all. They really strive to put boots on the ground, and this enables them to connect not just with individuals, but with the local culture as well.
I'm electronic and telecommunication engineer, so I am very passionate about the technology. You can help others to solve a specific problem.
Since a young age, I started to learning how to work with operating systems, especially with Microsoft Windows. Since then, I've been improving my knowledge and working in the industry.
Never stop to learn new things about technology and the possibility to help to others solving problems and support them.
Technology is always evolving, continue learning and to have a mindset of curiosity.
It's important to understand what are the trends right now, what is on, what we need to follow. Attracting new customers is not an easy part. We need to create different ways to do it, using and leveraging new technologies.
To keep it simple, highlight technical skills and project relevance to the job that they're applying for, to show or highlight as well the learning and adaptability that they have to the dynamic IT industry.
I believe that an effective way to make your resume stand out is to keep it simple and focused. Highlight key elements like technical skills, certifications, relevant projects, and their impactful results.
Let's partner up, redefine the future, succeed in our goals, and repeat it all over.
The Career Path program is a fantastic program. It helps our employees find the best version of themselves.
We firmly believe that flexibility of remote work enhances productivity and employee satisfaction, and also promotes company growth because we can hire people from different parts of the world.
I've been moving around, having the opportunity to connect with great professionals that I now consider as very special friends.
As we stand together on the verge of endless possibilities, let's remember, it's not just a career, it's a journey. Join us at Team International, where talents find home and the future is built with everyone's unique story. Seize your best career opportunity, yet at www.teaminternational.com. Your journey begins here.